The highest individual cost for loading are fuel and tires. With the right operating technique and correct bucket, you can keep these costs down while maintaining high production. There are 4 important things to think about for effective and safe work. 1. Make sure you have a high ground pressure on the front wheels to make work easier and boost productivity. 2. Adapt engine RPM to prevent the wheels from slipping. 3. See that the ground surface is always as level and clean as possible. A smooth and clean ground surface on the loading site makes work easier and boosts productivity. And 4. Always into the material with the machine running straight ahead. That way, all of the machine's power ends up behind the bucket. A straight machine also reduces stress and wear. Here are the filling basics. Slow down a short distance in front of the material. Lower the bucket to ground level. Throttle up and make sure you're using the first gear. Lift the bucket. Tilt back and reverse out. Let's look at it again. Lower the bucket to ground level. Throttle up and lift the bucket. When the bucket is lifted, the pressure increases on the front wheels. The machine gets good traction and can penetrate into the material without the wheels slipping. Throttle up and tilt back a little. Continue lifting and tilting back alternately. It's a good idea to nudge off any excess material so you don't spill when reversing out. The principle is the same regardless of material. This material is very hard, and to avoid coming to a standstill, ease off the accelerator pedal to reduce the force forward, and at the same time lift and tilt back while filling the bucket. Something that's good for you to know as an operator is that Volvo buckets are designed so that the top of the bucket is parallel with the bucket floor. This makes it possible to always see what angle the bucket is at from the operator's seat. Make sure you have high pressure on the front wheels. Adapt engine RPM to prevent wheels from slipping. See that the ground surface is always as level and clean as possible. Always enter the material with the machine running straight ahead. Lower the bucket parallel to the ground. Throttle up as much as needed and lift the bucket. Tilt back and reverse out.